It's my birthday. We're gonna party like it's my birthday. Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Since my last video, I am a changed woman. I have turned 21, real life adult in front of your eyes. So I thought today I would show you some of the things I was lucky enough to receive as presents from my friends and family. I feel very, very lucky. So let's just get straight into it. I mean, this cake was honestly a present in itself. It was huge and So we'll start off with this, which is a Jack Bill's duffel bag, and it's full of loads of body products. You can't go wrong with some nice smellies, and this duffel bag's going to come in handy. And that was from my nan and gramps. They got it sent to me. I also got some money from my other grandparents, which obviously was really generous. So next up, this was really, really sweet. It was actually from a couple of work colleagues of mine. So they wrote on a little note saying, "You said you like stars, ... lots of love." They remembered I like stars. And it's this bracelet here. I'm literally going to wear this like every single day. So we'll move on to what my sister got me. How cute. It's a raccoon. And it's a little succulent, so hopefully I won't kill it. I just think that's so adorable. She also got me another gift which hasn't actually arrived yet. She did tell me what it was and I'm so excited for it to come. So basically in February I bought my friend a gift that I actually really wanted to keep for myself when it came, but obviously I didn't. It's a key ring, and you can buy little rings with states or countries or names of places, and you put the rings onto the key ring and you just keep collecting them. She bought me the key ring and then 2 rings as well, but I'm not sure what 2 rings she bought me, so I'm really excited for that to come. So moving on to presents from my mum. She got me this foundation, which I just have not used this in years. I swear by it. I'm wearing it today. You literally can't really tell that you're wearing foundation. It's so light coverage. I forgot how much I loved this, and then she bought it for me. She also got me Kacey Musgraves CD, which I am so happy about. I'm not really an aux cable person in my car because I don't have loads of 3G and I don't really have loads of Spotify playlists that I make. I always just listen to CDs. A lot of them are throwback CDs because I haven't really bought any recently. Finally, I can listen to my favourite singer, Kacey Musgraves, in my car. Broom, broom. Next up from my mum is another little cute one. It's a Harry Potter wand and it lights up. This is the closest I'm ever going to get to holding a real life magical wand. That looks so cool. Lumos. Nerd alert! Next up from my mum is actually 2 separate presents, but they are the same present, and this present is insane. So the first half of this present is this bag, and this is a bag for a DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. Swiftly moving on to the second half of the present, a DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. Here's the little drone itself. You just pop these out and then you put the propellers on, and then there is a remote control in there as well that you attach your phone to. I am just so excited to finally use this for the first time. I'm going to hopefully be able to do it soon if this weather clears up. So I'm actually still deciding what to ask for my dad. He keeps nagging me to tell him what I want, but I literally don't know. But he did stop by on my birthday and give me some champagne and some Thornton's chocolate as well, which you cannot go wrong with. Whilst we're on the subject of alcohol, my sister's boyfriend got me this unicorn gin liqueur. And look.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
So the last couple of presents I got is from my friend from camp. You would have seen her in my reading my camp diary video. So the first thing she got me is this little money pot. I don't know if you can really see what it says, but it says choose your own adventure, and it's got a little map on it. It's a really cute gift. So this is the last one, and I definitely did cry when I received this. It's this book. It says The Adventures of Robin Wilson, and as you can tell, it's bursting at the seams. I've never been given a scrapbook, and the amount of time and effort that must have been put into this is literally insane. So yeah, that was really, really sweet. They are all of my 21st birthday presents. Like I said, I'm so thankful for each and every one and the thought that went into them as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe as well. And if you fancy it, just stick on those notifications too. I'll see you soon. Bye.